guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today's video I'm super excited about. We're going to be doing a Fabfitfun unboxing, and this is my first ever Fabfitfun box. And I cannot wait to open it. Here's the box. It is so cute. This is actually the summer box. So before we get into the actual unboxing, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit more about Fabfitfun, just in case you guys don't know. So basically, Fabfitfun is a subscription box, but instead of it being every single month, it's actually seasonal. So you're going to be getting it summer, fall, winter, and spring. And I just think that makes it so much cooler and unique. And the really cool part though is that this box is valued at over $200. Which is crazy. That is why I am dying to open this thing and see what's inside. But if you want to buy it, it is $49.99, I believe. But Fabfitfun was actually super kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So if you want to use my code Leah, I will have it up on the screen, and I will also have it in the description bar. You can get, I believe, $10 off your first order. We all love to save money on this channel, okay? We all love it. Okay, so I think I've explained it enough. The box is just sitting here staring at me, screaming, open me, and I'm dying to see what's inside. So we're gonna take a look together. We're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing, a little bit of a first impressions. All right, I got my trusty scissors. We're just gonna break into this bad boy and see what we're working with. So this is the first thing we see when it's open. So it looks like it's just a little Fabfitfun magazine, which is actually really cool. I'll take a look at that in a bit. Okay, and then we also have this is actually a gift card. So this is a gift card from the brand Green Chef, and I believe that this is just like a meal plan service. Wow, this gift card is $90 off plus free shipping. I'm gonna have to take a look at that after for sure, because I love me some food. I love how they have their own magazine. I think that's so cool. I'm definitely gonna look through this guy a little bit after, but let's get into the box. So, how did I not know that that was gonna happen? This is really hard to show, but this is the first little look into the box here. I'm seeing some pretty good items, so I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna put the box down. I'm gonna take each item out, show you guys. I feel like that's the best way to do it. All right, I'm just gonna start with this guy right here. It's at the front of the box. It's kind of a bigger one, but it's calling my name. This cute little vase. Oh my goodness. This is the coolest thing about this box, is that it's not like your typical beauty subscription box. You're not just gonna get like trial size makeup. You get a vase. Oh my goodness, I love this. This is totally like my kind of colors right here, this pale pink and white. You guys, look at this. This is beautiful. Honestly, I cannot wait to put this in my room. I know my mom is gonna be so jealous of this because she loves vases. It's from the brand Isaac Mizrahi. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but this is honestly so nice. I mean, we're starting out strong. I honestly can't stop staring at it because I think this is so pretty. Imagine some white roses in this. Woo. And the thing is, I love that this came so well packaged because, I mean, this is a vase and this is super easy to break. So I really like how well they packaged this. The box was actually upside down on my deck when I got this. So in my head, I'm thinking, oh my goodness, watch everything be broken inside. But no, this is so well packaged. I'm really impressed so far. Love it. I'm just gonna blindly choose right now the next item. We've got a foot cream. Okay, this is from the brand Turocco, and it is a Sicilian blood oranges foot cream. So let's give this a sniff. Oh wow, that smells really good. I know this is a foot cream, but I kind of want to put it on my hands. Is that weird? It smells so good. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hands. Shh, don't tell anybody. Oh my goodness, I love that. It's like a very strong citrusy smell. So if you're not a fan of citrus, you will not like this, but honestly, it smells exactly like if you cut up an orange. I'm actually really glad that I got this. This might be a little bit TMI, but I get really dry feet, like especially my heels, they get really dry. And I feel like a lot of the times when I put lotion on them, they don't really do anything. So I'm really excited to see if this actually fixes that, because it's specifically for your feet. And I mean, it's a pretty good size too. It's about the size of my hand. I like that it's not tiny little trial sizes, because I mean, what are you gonna do with those? One use and they're gone. Okay, not looking, gonna choose again. We've got a face and body ice roller. Oh my goodness, is that one of those thingies that you do like that? I think it is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. So if you're confused by what this is, basically, I'll read the little description here. So it says, leave your ice roller in the freezer for 4 or more hours before use. Roll it over your face and neck daily for visible improvements. It also says that the ice roller can be used on the body to soothe bug bites, sunburn, tense or sore muscles post-workout, treat bruises and aches, or to lessen discomfort before or after cosmetic treatments. So that's actually really, really cool. The key benefits are to help to decrease pore size and improve skin tone, brighten under eye circles, reduce the appearance of blemishes and fine lines, and promotes fluid flushing in the face. I am so excited about this. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time. I'm really, really excited about it because I have really bad dark circles. That's gonna be nice. It's already a little bit cold, but once this is in the freezer, that's gonna feel so nice on your skin. Also, like, the color of this is so cute. It's like a lilac purple. I love that. I'm gonna be doing this nonstop. I would do it to my face, but I don't want to take the makeup off. So please excuse how I just totally ripped open the box. I was definitely way too excited when I saw this, but this is from the brand Zoe Ayla, and I'm pretty sure I have seen this brand before, or heard about it, sorry, but super cute packaging, by the way. I just ripped into it. I was gonna say this might be my favorite so far, but then I looked at the vase and I was like, that's still my favorite. But this comes in second for sure. I'm very, very excited about this. I mean, so far what we've gotten, like, I'm gonna use every single product and I'm obsessed already, honestly. Okay, this feels very big. What is this? So this is a, oh my gosh, this is a diffuser. Oh my goodness. I don't have a diffuser, so I'm really excited about this. This is the Mason Home Scent Collection Solstice Diffuser. This is so cool. Okay, that was a struggle to get out of the box. It was very well packaged, but this is what the diffuser looks like right here. So it's kind of, I don't even know what this color really is. It's almost like a little bit coppery, but then it looks silver in some lighting. I don't know what color is this. And on camera, like just looking at it on screen, it looks more gold. I'm not sure. But anyways, it comes with the diffuser. You also get the oil, and then you get these things right here, which I'm not really sure what these are called, but I'm gonna go ahead and read the directions just so I know how to use it. Okay, I know that this is just the box that it came in, but why is this so cute? I love it for some reason. I don't know why. Side note. So, directions. Add fragrance oil to vase and insert reeds. The reeds will diffuse fragrance within 24 to 36 hours. To avoid damage to furniture or countertops, do not place the diffuser on any surface without a protective tray. That's good to know because I probably wouldn't have done that. I am like a kid on Christmas right now. You guys have no idea how much I love stuff like this. Oh wow, that smells really, really nice actually. It's definitely more of like a cologne scent, like the candle from Bath and Body Works. Oh my goodness, what's it called? Mahogany Teakwood. That's what this reminds me of exactly, and I love that candle so much, so wow, I really like that a lot. I am so glad that I got this because I've been always very curious about diffusers. I've just never picked one up. Love this. This is definitely competing for first place with the vase now. My camera has overheated about 50 million times and I'm not having it. I'm not here for it. All right, next thing is, oh, it's from the brand Murad. I actually do have some stuff from that brand. I really like them. So this is the Essential C Cleanser from Murad. Let's see what it looks like. This is a huge, oh my goodness. I was not expecting it to be that big. I always feel like I have to smell stuff. I don't know if that's just me, but it smells pretty good actually. I'm actually super excited about this though because I've been really into skincare. It says on the back to use it AM and PM, massage over dampened face and neck, rinse and pat dry. It also says that it's formulated with vitamins A, C, and E. This energizing cleansing gel helps remove pollution and other impurities without over drying skin. And I mean, I still can't get over the size of this. This is huge. It's like the size of my head. And I got a big head. I'm definitely gonna use this tonight. I believe I already own a Murad moisturizer, I think it is, and I really, really like it. So I'm excited to see what the cleanser is gonna do. Obviously though, the thing with skincare is some things might work for your skin, some things might not. So I'm excited to give this a try and see how it goes. Okay, so next item is this. I think it's a bag of some sort. Oh, I think it's like a cooler bag, like a beach bag. On the tag here it says, yeah, so it says add pre-chilled drinks and food. Use with ice packs or gel packs. Avoid placing loose ice directly in bag. And clean and dry your cooler after each use. Okay, that is so cool. I love that. This would honestly be really good for like road trips, camping, beach, obviously. I love the color of this too. It's so pretty. It comes with a little shoulder strap too if you want to carry it like that. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. The thing is, it doesn't look like it'd be a very spacious bag, but there's actually quite a bit of room in there. This is so cool to me. I love stuff like this. Definitely cannot wait to use this summer. That's gonna be awesome. And I mean, the colors are so cute. This screams summer to me. This would be so awesome for a little picnic at the beach. You could put, you know, your sandwiches in there. You could put your Dr. Peppers in there. that's definitely what I'll be putting in there because I love Dr. Pepper. Feels like it's going to be a mini size of something. So this is a roll-on fragrance oil from the brand Riddle. I've never heard of them before. Okay, this is super cute packaging, but let's see what it smells like because I'm very curious. Okay. I feel like it's more of a mature scent. I don't know if it's definitely one of my favorites, but it's not bad. It's not sweet or anything like that. It's more musky, I would say. The thing is, when you first put it on, it's very strong, but it's definitely a lot lighter now. I kind of like it more now that it's, you know, kind of soaked into the skin, but I don't know if it's one of my favorite scents in the world. Super cute packaging though. I might end up just gifting this to somebody. I think this is the last product right here, and it is a little necklace that is so cute. It's a little tiny key. I love how dainty this is. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. So it's from the brand The Giving Keys. It says ending homelessness through employment. On the back it says choose and embrace your word, pass it on to somebody you feel needs the message, support jobs for people transitioning out of homelessness. So my word is believe. That is so cute. I really like the whole message of this. This is really, really nice. I really like that. I think that's so nice that they included something like this in the box. I've never heard of this brand. I definitely want to look them up after this though, but yeah, I think that is so pretty. It's such a nice message as well. So that was everything in my Fabfitfun summer box, and honestly guys, I gotta say I am super, super impressed. I really like everything that I got in the box, and I really do believe that it's worth it. Like, if you really think about it, just some of these items alone are probably the cost of the box. So that's what I really like about this. I think out of everything, the vase is my favorite, but also that diffuser is pretty awesome as well. So I don't know, they're both kind of my favorite, not gonna lie. So I'm just taking a quick look through the magazine right now because it actually lists all the products you get and their original prices. And you know how I said one of the products is probably worth more than the box? The diffuser alone is $59. I really like how they show all the products and their original prices. That way you can kind of add them all up and, you know, see how much your box is actually worth, which I'm actually going to do right now. So let me go grab my calculator and let's see what this box is actually worth. Okay, so I just added all the prices together and this box is worth 335 bucks. That is crazy to me. Like, that's insane. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big like and subscribe because I would really appreciate that. Also, don't forget to go check me out on my Instagram. It's always linked down below. And also, don't forget to use my code MorganLeah if you want to get $10 off your first box. I highly suggest it. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!